I need another book, please, Daddy.
Which one you want to read next?
Baby Cakes. Baby Cakes is that. It's my ponytail. So Baby Cakes is little bear cocoon. One say something. So mommy, and one say something. Cheese or it's the ramen. But it was a happy birthday. Books, the stories. There's a baby cake. It's sweet, but it was still hungry. But baby cake came in. At 30-11, it started to rain. But hold on. Yes, a baby cake came in, but they were still sleeping. But they had cake. Okay, it's the ramen. But it was a happy birthday.